Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is January 22nd, 2025. Here's what we are covering. A Reddit user claimed ChatGPT helped save his life by diagnosing rhabdomyolysis after he felt unwell post-workout. Symptoms persisted, and the AI suggested seeking medical attention, matching the diagnosis confirmed by doctors. The user praised ChatGPT's analysis, which also helped interpret his lab results accurately. Other Reddit users shared similar experiences, crediting ChatGPT with aiding in health-related insights. Some studies suggest ChatGPT compares favorably with doctors in diagnosis accuracy and empathy. Speaking of technology-changing industries, UK retailers are increasingly adopting automation technologies to address rising labor costs. Innovations include electronic shelf labels, self-service checkouts, and AI-enabled cameras to improve efficiency. Companies like Sainsbury's and PepsiCo are implementing self-service systems and AI tools for stock management and customer interactions. Automation in warehouses, such as robots and AI forecasting, is growing, with companies like Amazon and Ocado leading the way. While these measures aim to boost productivity, they also threaten entry-level retail jobs. And now, from automation to AI at a national scale, President Trump is set to announce a $100 billion AI initiative on Tuesday. The venture, named Stargate, involves OpenAI, SoftBank, and Oracle collaborating on U.S. data centers. It may expand to a $500 billion investment over 4 years. The first data center will be located in Texas, aiming to boost American AI capabilities. Key executives, including Sam Altman of OpenAI, will join the White House announcement. Switching over to the digital entertainment world, with TikTok facing imminent shutdown, creators express reluctance to migrate to Meta's platforms. Many users criticize Meta's monetization tools and algorithms, calling them ineffective compared to TikTok. Creators like Thorin Bradley are urging boycotts against Meta due to its lobbying efforts. Concerns also include the Instagram algorithm's failure to deliver content to target audiences effectively. As alternatives, creators are exploring platforms like YouTube Shorts and the Chinese app Xiaohongshu. From social media disruption to groundbreaking health science, OpenAI has developed an AI model to engineer proteins that can transform regular cells into stem cells, significantly outperforming human efforts. The project, in collaboration with Retro Biosciences, aims to rejuvenate cells and extend human lifespan. OpenAI's model focuses on redesigning Yamanaka factors, making them 50 times more effective in early tests. This represents OpenAI's first foray into biological data, raising questions about AI's potential in scientific discovery and artificial general intelligence. OpenAI asserts that no financial transactions occurred in this collaboration, despite CEO Sam Altman's investment in Retro Biosciences. And finally, exploring AI's wider industry impact. During a World Economic Forum panel, CEOs from AWS, PepsiCo, Accenture, Sanofi, and Saudi Aramco discussed the challenges and progress of scaling AI in their industries. They emphasized the disparity between companies reaping AI benefits and those struggling with its implementation. Sanofi's CEO highlighted AI's potential in drug discovery, while AWS's CEO underscored the necessity of cloud-based data. Saudi Aramco's president emphasized infrastructure and skilled personnel for AI success, with PepsiCo investing in workforce training. Accenture noted AI's role in hyper-personalization and efficiency, advocating for responsible AI adoption to build trust.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.